Hey, do you want make animation videos like this? And create short stories? Then let's see how it create. Step 1. First, go to the chatgpt and ask for create a short story. You can customize your story as your wish. Then let's have the story. Second step. Then, open your web browser and search Blue Willow Discord. You can sign up with your email to this Discord. There you can create any type of pictures that you want. Sometimes, it may take several time. You have to be patient. After you sign up for the Discord, you can see the window like this. You can see when you scroll down, at the left side of the window, there are tabs named Rokies. You have to choose one of it. After that, type / on the text bar. Then you gotta like this. Select prompt and describe the picture that you want. Type correctly with correct words. Now I want picture for my story. So I describe the picture that I want add to background. Here we got the result. They give us 4 pictures according to our words. You can select one of this picture that's suitable for you. So there I select this picture. Then, you have to scroll down and find the picture that you select. Here is my picture. Then click on the picture and save it to your laptop. With this method, you can get best quality photo. After that, you have another work with this Discord. You have to create your actor of the story. According to my story, I create a boy character with full body. You have to create it with full body. Otherwise, you can't get right animation. Here I got the result, people. Now I select one picture that suit to my character. Your photo should sharp and quality. Then you have to do same process before I do save earlier picture. Then, we move on to third step. Again, open your web browser and search. Remove BG. Then you go to the website, you can see this. Here you have to upload your photo that you want to remove background. So I upload that boy's picture for this. Remember, you need to upload your character's photo for this. After that, you can get background removed photo like this. Then, click the download button and download it. Here we move to the fourth step, guys.
Then, you have to go to sketchmetademolab.com. Then, upload your background removed photo here. So, click Next and crop your photo as you want. After that, you need to clear your picture. There you have pen and eraser. Use them to fix unselected parts and remove overselected parts. Carefully locate the picture. The moving parts like hands and legs keep separate. Other vice at the animation part, it may does not walk properly. So, there we have window like this. If you want to change moving point of your character, You can change it here. I recommend do not change it, because it automatically create right way. Ha ha ha! Ladies and gentlemen, here we got our animation. So there you have some options to select. You can select the animation that you need to create your story. So guys, try them all. You can download this animation by click this. We move on to fourth step. Then go to the 11 Labs AI website. Here you can convert your story to voice. So go back to ChatGPT and copy that story you generate before, and to paste it to this website. There you can select multiple voices here. Choose the voice that you like and play. Here is my story.
Two boys, Sam and Ben, lived in a small town. They were the best of friends, sharing laughter and dreams. One day they found an old map leading to a hidden treasure. Excitement filled their...
Here we come to the final step. Now, you have to go VidIO website. So, then click Start for free and go ahead. Here you can create your story. Click Upload Files button and upload your all media to this website that you need to create the video. First, I upload my story background picture. Then you can adjust it to screen size. Here you can choose screen size as you want. Then, I upload my other characters of the story. I remove that picture's background before upload this website. Now guys, I am going to upload my animation for this. After you upload animation, you have to remove the background of animation. You can do it here. Scroll down and click Remove Background. Then they automatically create an animation without background. After that, you can adjust your animation according to the background picture. Here I create talking animation. So I adjust it like this. After that, you can copy and paste that animation as your wish. So finally, you have to add subtitles for your story. You can automatically generate subtitles from this website very easily. You have option in left side at the window. Here I generate my subtitles. So now you can see the subtitles are added to the video. You can also adjust the subtitles in the video. Ladies and gentlemen, you also have some other features of this website. Using these items, you can create amazing videos. Here, I finally comes to end. Now we can generate and download our video. Click this download button and download your video. So, I think you all are learned something. Try it and create more videos. You can also start a YouTube channel by uploading short stories like this. If you like this video, please hit a like and write a comment.
Two boys, Sam and Ben, lived in a small town. They were the best of friends, sharing laughter.
This is my first video. Tell me, is there any mistakes that I had done? So, please, Gussies, subscribe my channel. I am looking to create more valuable videos like this. Thank you all. Love you.